Hello, dear students. Most of you are doing your activities on time, but for those students that are still not clear, I want to remind you that my lab and mastering is due Sunday noon. The follow-up is 3 extra credit points. Then if you do them, you can replace the points that you lose in one question that you have done wrong. The discussion will be by Friday, so that I will grade you on Saturday. In the discussion, you should report the reference used and comment at least 2 students' posts. Remember that in week 5 is a midterm exam, so you should be prepared for questions that are from lecture 1 to lecture 4. We are right now in week 3. Remember that the midterm is 105 points. I hope you will be fine and all of you will pass this class. But remember that my office hours are Monday 5 p.m. and Tuesday 12:30. Wednesday is my tutoring time 1 hour earlier than the lab that you have. And remember that there are 2 students tutoring too. One is on Wednesday and one is on Friday. Please study and you will be fine. Do all your activities on time and remember that every point counts in chemistry. Thank you very much.